Do you ride the fridge once in a while? Hi, Claudine here. I do. Today I started so well, you know. At 10 o'clock I had my lessons in the gym, BBB, and then Pilates, and then I went to the sauna. I really enjoyed it. Then I came home and I ate a real nice salad, but then it went wrong. I finished with a slice of bread with chocolate on it, but really nice. And then I started looking in the fridge for candy, then for ice cream, then for cookies, chocolate. Da, 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 da. You know, I need to do it right again. So the next time I'm standing in front of my fridge, I need to ask myself, okay, are you hungry? And I have to say no. So are you bored or are you stressed out or whatever? Drink a glass of water. Yeah. So the next time, the next days when I want to get in the fridge, I will drink water. I love water, by the way. I really do. And if you're not sure that you are hungry or not, then drink some water, because it's possible when your body needs water that you think it's hungry, but it's not. So if you drink water, then after 5 minutes you realize, oh yeah, well, I wasn't hungry, right? So, well, I need to get on the right track again. I really need to, because I start well and sometimes for a few days, and then I fall off the wagon again. I need to set it straight here between those ears. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. So I need to do this. I really need to. Wish me good luck.